So the unboxing process of the Echo Buds are actually pretty straightforward. Once you open it up, you're basically presented with the buds themselves. It's in this nifty new little case. And you have some instructions here. You lift this up, you're going to get some wings, you can get some tips, and also a charging cable. And just to give you an idea of what the old Echo Buds look like next to the new ones, you can see that the case for the new one is a lot smaller than the older ones. It stands up more, it's a little bit more compact. I actually like this one a lot better. And the buds themselves, you can actually see, are smaller also. So the new buds are a lot smaller, they're matte finish all around. The older ones had more of a glossy look. Now when it comes to actually pairing the buds, you have two options. You can pair it like a regular Bluetooth headphone, because it's basically a regular Bluetooth headphone. So in the back, you actually have this button here. You can just open the case, press and hold the button until the light actually turns blue. Then you're just going to go into your Bluetooth setting. You're going to pair a new Bluetooth device. Just make sure you're holding the button until it turns blue. Like I said, the Echo Buds appear. Tap on them. Connected, and they're now connected to your device as a standard Bluetooth device itself. Now, of course, the other option is to pair it directly using the Amazon application itself, and that one's even easier because you're just going to go into the app. You can go to Devices, All Devices, and then you're going to add a device. It's an Amazon Echo device, Echo Buds. Do that later. Open these up. And again, just press and hold that button until the blue light appears to send it into pairing mode. Buds appear, tap on them, hit continue. You're all set up. So now you can actually just go and finish up the setup process, which also includes a sound test to make sure that the buds are secured in your ear. So before we actually do the sound test, let me go ahead and put these things in my ear so you can get kind of an idea on how they actually look. Okay, so let's get this one in. And we're in nice and snug. Alright, so let's get this. Now I was just doing the sound test and I can hear the sound in both. And it's saying it's pretty good. It could be better, I guess, if I change the tips to make it fit a little bit better, but it's snug enough for me, so I'll just go from here. And now it's just going through some of the other setup options you have. Basic double tap, tap to hold, tap and press to hold to pass through for the active noise cancellation. And this is also one of those new features that it has where you can actually set up a workout profile. So if you were to get started, you would put in your height, and your setup process is complete. So now when you're actually in the Echo Bud portion of your Amazon app, it gives you, of course, your battery information, so the battery life for both the case and the two buds themselves, and you can turn on power save mode here. You can also control your active noise cancellation here to either enable it, to pass through, or disable the active noise cancellation altogether. And you can also enable if you want to hear your own voice or not when you're taking phone calls with the earbuds. And in here you can customize the actual tap controls. So single tap, play, pause, or you can customize any of the actual settings you want. So if you'd rather have volume up or have your native assistant, so this is going to be native to whatever device you have. So if you have an Android device, sometimes it may be Google or Bixby, or if you have an iPhone, it's going to be Siri. You can actually enable that instead of enabling it to do Alexa. And here's where you would do your EQing, play your music, decide whether the audio is good or not for you. You can go in and adjust the bass, you can adjust the mid, you can adjust the treble. And of course, if you ever do change the tips or add wings to it, you can actually go through and do the fit test once more to make sure you're getting the best sound quality possible. And like I said, the new workout section where you can actually see your workout profile and the history of any workouts that you've already done, or track the workouts that you have done. Of course, you have the Find My option to be able to locate these in case you misplaced them somewhere. So like I said, the setup process for these things are really simple, and it's very straightforward. Shouldn't take you really too long to get it connected to either an Android or an iOS device. Stay tuned to the channel because we're definitely going to be doing a full review on these after I've used them for a little while, so expect that more towards the end of the week. If you have any questions about it, go ahead and comment in the comment section down below. Guys, thank you so much for checking out the video, and as always, make sure to stay safe out there. Like, share, subscribe, and until I see you guys next time, peace out.